Well, good Friday morning to you. Trucker Todd here, and time for another video. Alright, folks. Wednesday, y'all saw me do an unboxing of my Samsara Dash Cam. Now, here it is Friday. I've got the box in the truck with all the goodies. I condensed it down to one box. And in this video, we're going to install this stuff. Now, just a few things. I want to answer some questions before we jump into that. I didn't have an update this week for the load board. The guy that runs the meeting is on vacation or about to go on vacation or something. They still don't have my login stuff fixed, and so we're kind of at a standstill. They originally told me this Monday or Tuesday. Now they're saying maybe next Monday or Tuesday, but it's definitely something that's a priority to them, and they're trying to get fixed. It is working for the other 9 guys, and they are currently testing it. And as soon as I have more, I could get on here and give you some secondhand knowledge from other people, what they've told me and stuff. But as soon as I have some firsthand knowledge I can share with you, then I'll make sure and bring that to you. I hope to have an update in next week's videos. But that's not what we're going to do today. Today we're going to put this camera in. There's going to be a lot of trial and error while I do this. I've never installed one like this before that actually hooks to the truck's computer. So instead of showing you an installation video, there's a ton of those already on YouTube. I'm just going to install it, show you what I did, why I did it, and then you guys, if y'all decide to get this camera, then you'll have some ideas between my videos and other people's videos about how you want to install it. And if you see any red flags here, then you'll know maybe this ain't the camera for you. But without further ado, you guys look down below, make sure you're subscribed, give me a thumbs up, share this video on your social media platforms. By the way, when you do subscribe, click that bell, select all, and that way you'll be notified when future videos come out, and it's free to do. Also, if you're interested in coming to work at Swift Transportation, either as a company driver or as a lease purchase, look down in the comments below or check out the description. That information's there. If you want to know more about the music that's about to play, you can check that out in the description below. And if you'd like to help the channel financially or otherwise, that information is there as well as my Facebook, Instagram, and email addresses. So a lot of stuff for y'all to check out. Don't miss out. But without further ado, let's cue up the music and get started. Here we go.
And this is why I do this, why I'm out here, why I keep that hammer down, flying by these road signs with home on my mind, with these wheels turning round, for my family and for my kids. For this life I wanna live, and this is why I do this.
Okay, I got it installed and I'm about to show you everything, and then afterwards we're going to talk about my experience with Samsara so far and what I actually think about them. But let me see if I can flip my camera around. Hey, it worked. Right up there is where I mounted it, and they give you these little wire things to fashion it to your windshield where it won't fall down. Wires go down. They're bundled up in the corner right here, and I apologize for my truck being dirty. I hadn't cleaned it yet because I knew I was going to be doing this and making a mess, and I figured I'd just clean it all at once. Now, if you go down here, here's where it plugs in. Down there, and I just folded that other plug for if they need to do diagnostics up in the corner out of the way, and then I zip tied it up the arm or grab handle here and secured the brain of it right there. That's where I've got it now. I may move it later. I haven't made a final decision about that yet. And now let's get in and look at the panic button. Panic button, I mounted it right there under my Zonar. It's real easy to reach. You can see right there. And so I'm real happy with it so far. Now let's talk about Samsara. Give me just a second. All right, shut my door so hopefully I don't blind you. Samsara has been a different deal. I was told I could install this in 15 minutes, and while the actual installation may have been 15 minutes, sorry, there's a fly in here, the problems afterward are just endless. They want to send you these articles which answer a lot of questions except the exact questions you have, and so I'm a little frustrated with their customer service department. I finally found a phone number, called them. I got a guy on the phone who was pretty clueless, and see that fly? He was pretty clueless, and so I hung up and called back and got another guy who was pretty knowledgeable, but he said that it could take up to 24 hours to activate. So any of you guys thinking about buying this system, just realize that it could take 24 hours to activate, possibly longer. You'd want to do this when you're on home time and not when you're under the gun and got to get out back on the road in a hurry. If you got, a few days at the house to fiddle with this, then it might be a good deal. I like the system so far. I'm real happy with the dashboard and how I can set the alerts and things like that. But it's just, and I'm sure once I get it set up, it'll be great. But just dealing with customer service is awful and a real grind. And so right now it's in the truck. Hopefully I can try it out on today when I go back out. Right now I'm currently looking for a load, and you guys know that I'll keep you updated and tell you the truth. And the great thing about this camera, I got 30 days to try it, and if I don't like it, I can always return it and get my money back. But I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. You guys have a great weekend. We'll catch you on Monday with something else. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.